Okay, I'm going to just have a quick look there at using split planes, just in case people aren't familiar with them. So all I'm going to do there is I'm going to draw a few solids on the ground here. So that's going to be a cylinder. And I'm going to insert a plane here. So my first reference is that top surface there. And I'm going to just set that there to 0. So that plane now that I've inserted is up level with the top of that. So I'm going to just stretch out that plane here a bit further. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just sketch a rectangle on, whoa, problem here now, it wants to draw on that plane up there. So I'll just hit escape out of that there and rebuild. So I want to sketch in the ground, so which is the top plane. So I'm just going to right click and say sketch. So now it knows I'm sketching on the ground here. So I'm going to sketch a square. Now it doesn't need to be there. Now I'm going to sketch a pyramid on the ground. Now I don't care whether this is rectangular or square, it doesn't matter for what I'm doing here. So that's done, and I want to sketch now on the, just rebuild here, and I want to sketch, right click and sketch on the top plane here now, and I'll just put a point up there on the top plane. Now because I started my rectangular base down here on the origin, I know that that point needs to be there, and that's that. So I'm going to do a lofted surface here now. Just hit rebuild again. So a lofted boss base between that profile and this point. That's going to give me a pyramid. The next thing I'm going to do over here is I'm going to sketch a circle on the ground. So here's my circle. I'm going to just put a point again vertically above that circle. Oh yeah, 1 second now. So I just right click there on plane 1. So I want to sketch on plane 1 and I want to put a point up there. So the easiest way to do this is just get a top view here. So I want to put a point up there directly above the center of the base. So I'll okay that. Just go back to 3D view so you can see there I've got a circle on the top plane and a point up on plane 1. So again there, just going to go features. Might need to rebuild there just to turn that on. So I want to do another loft from the circle up to the point. That's going to give me a cone. So that's enough there to do what we want to do. So what I want to do there next is just want to insert reference geometry, plane. And I guess there's a few ways now that I could do this. I might just do something slightly different here. I'm going to pick my reference as the front plane and put a plane way out here and just get a view there then looking at that, and I'm going to sketch a spline maybe here on that just to do something a bit different. So I'm going to sketch a spline along there like that, and then I might just do offset that spline in the other direction. So I'll just go here to reverse directions. Okay, and I might just do offset again here. So I'll just go back into that sketch there now and edit that sketch again. So I'm going to select that there now. Just say offset. Okay, just write this out here a small bit now. Right, so I'll just work so with the two of them, those two sketches will do for what I want to show anyway. So I'm just going to go there, insert features, split down here. So I want sketch 7 is both of these splines. So I'm just going to say there to cut all bodies, and that's going to give me 3 bodies in each one of those solids, which is going to give me 9 bodies here really, but I want to keep all of them. So I'm going to say cut bodies, and I want to keep them all then, so make sure consume cut bodies is not turned on. Okay, and then what I'm just going to do there is I'm going to right click and just say appearance of that body. So I'm going to make that green, all of those green. And I'll just grab this one there then, and the appearance of that body, now you got to be sure to select body, and I might just make that something like yellowy, goldy color. And finally the bottom there, the appearance of that body, we'll go for something like okay. So when I go into 3D here now, you'll just see what that split plane does. So you can use just a 2D sketch to split it, like dragging a hot wire through a soft object there, I suppose, or whatever way you think about it in your own head. But we split those 3 solids anyway using those 2D spline curves there to do it. So split is a very, very useful command to know, and very, very simple. You don't need anything other than a line with which to do it.